So people, it's Monday, back from Vegas, nearly recovered, about to hit hopefully, man, this is fucking dirty. About to hit hopefully only chest session. Let's see if this motherfucker wants to do only chest. Like that. That's like going.
What's that though? What kind of ball is it?
That's a ping ball, mate.
It's a ping ball, mate.
Fucking low, mate.
Yes, sir.
Pulling, mate. Gonna make some poke gains, mate. Holy shit.
Joey, please. Heavy man, please. Hi. What is this stuff?
It is a Kake, is a Japanese thing.
Saying lad.
Saying about the fucking poke gains, mate.
Poke gains, man.
Juicy gains, mate.
I know, man.
Yo, fuck, looks good. What are you saying about the pocket porn, mate? It autofocus also.
Yeah, the autofocus on this.
Yeah, the autofocus. You going? Okay, lads.
Yes,
So, what are you saying about them post-workout pocket gains? Mate, I could go through everything I got here, but I literally got everything, mate. Just 5 scopes, tuna, salmon, octopus, everything, mate. Let's try this shit.
Put it in your mouth, man.
Put it in my mouth. Wow.
Good?
Filthy, mate.
Legit, man.
Stupid naughty, mate. Yo, lads. Just at Starbucks. I'm just waiting for my bird. We're gonna go hike with her and Joey, fucking fat D. Yo, you trying to fucking finger daisy or what, mate?
Right.
Check it out.
He's putting up.
What?
It's dark,
He always
right?
puts them up like
It's
quicker
in the
than me.
dark?
It takes me forever to
Edit?
like edit and shit, yeah. Also I'm lazy.
Well, lads, we're doing Runyon Canyon. It's first time for everyone. So, hopefully it doesn't rain.
It's gonna be sweet.
Short shorts, just in case.
Or beige on that.
Just in case the sun comes out.
A beige for every occasion.
The base lad, mate. Loves it. Loves to be camouflaged, mate. This is not camouflage, it's pinky.
Green up here, innit?
Loves a small dildo, this lad.
What's that in?
Check out that dildo, mate. How you say?
Tight strap.
Tight strap, man. That's it.
We get a vibe. We get a vibe. We get a vibe. We get a vibe. We get a vibe.
Man loves when you walk, the sun just, when you go up, drips on your ass. That's why dirt bikes have a tail, mate, so that the sun doesn't hit on your back. Shit, man. Fuck that.
We get a vibe. We get a vibe. We get a vibe, but I put the sun down.
Hey, buddy.
Okay, so we made it to the what looks like the best spot for some naughty pictures. So let's see if we get some decent pics for the gram, mate. Decent views, man. Man, I'm fucking tired, man.
Yeah?
Yeah, man. Something happening.
Intense cardio, man.
Intense. Another type of cardio I enjoy, man. I prefer horizontal cardio.
Horizontal.
Horizontal.
What, swimming?
Swimming, that's it, lad.
Yeah.
Swimming with my bird. Yes, lad. Sick that, man. Looks like GTA, bro.
Going back over there?
No, I need to drive. You wanna go back over there?
Who went down this way, mate? That's fucked up.
Yeah, but like,
Matey, man. Fucked up. My bear needs to go to check to see his other boyfriends.
her.
Her other boyfriends, but none of them are big as me, man.
I'm
Yes.
the boyfriend.
He's the other boyfriend, man. What are you saying about some poke? What are you saying about some poke?
Down.
Nah?
Yeah.
Fish
Yes.
dogs, man. I'm gonna turn into a fish.
Tidy me, man. Okay, I'm fucked up.
You still have to drive.
Let's see how to drive. Let's go get some. Fucking nice, man. Look at this house.
Residential, man. Maidaville.
Cool buses.
Sick houses.
Look at these cool buses, man.
Auto driving them. Houses.
Yeah, this is a really nice area, man. It must be a school, right? It must be like a private school, right? That's gonna be some magic sauce. Oh yes. Yes.
So nothing have nuts. Okay. So one
Magic shit.
chicken and one beef. White rice or brown? White? Brown? Brown.
Oh man.
Onion? Onion, yes.
Magic sauce?
Magic sauce.
Magic sauce, mate.
No,
The magic sauce. Hollywood. This is Universal Studios, mate. Yes to the magic sauce. Okay, so we got some chicken, some greens too, because I need some greens,
You
mate.
need some fucking greens, eh?
But some magic sauce, mate. Actually,
It's alright, eh?
broccoli tastes alright, man. Oh man. Naughty. I don't know what I made. Cinnabon.
Ah, ja.
You want it? Okay, that's so. It's called Cinnabon. Cinnamon rolls. That shit. 1,000 calories, mate. So I'm not that kind of hungry, so I just got a small one. Mate, that looks naughty. Shit. How do I supposed to buy this shit? Man?
Just take a
I'm supposed to buy it like that or something?
Just eat it.
Wow. It's my literal juice, eh?
How is it?
Is it good? I'm gonna film all of this.
Serious. Mate, I've never tried anything so juicy in my life.
all of this.
Serious.
Mate, I've never tried anything so juicy in my life. Literally, it's fucking good, man.
Right.
You know you want the big one now.
No, she took my cinnamon bomb, mate. Cinnamon bomb? It's a cinnamon bomb? This lad, man, I never seen such a happy kid, man. Happy kid, mate. Look at the size of that, mate.
It's gone.
Mate, it's actually really fucking good. Wow.
Alright, man.
Yeah. Okay, so since this guy gave a bite to that shit, hasn't said a word, man. This is literally demolishing that fucking
I'm
shit,
involved,
man.
mate.
It's just demolishing it, man. Like, breathe, bro. That's it. That's not
Halfway
even
through a big job,
breathe, man. Okay, people. So I'm gonna do the shredded by the day of Rich Piana. So as I'm on the keto diet now, I'm gonna start with Ben & Jerry's. No carbs.
Smells like poor arterial health.
That's healthy, man. Rich Piana says that's Rich Piana says that's healthy, bro.
Sorry, go, sorry.
I love your tattoo.
I'll tag you. Cheers.
Like that. That's like going.
What's that though? What? What kind of ball is it?
That's a ping ball, mate.